SkillsCamp is a soft skills training company. We work with businesses and educational institutions to build soft skills in their staff and students.
The top skills employers look for in new hires are communication skills, resourcefulness, and the ability to work well with others. But these skills are taking a backseat in traditional education. After starting SkillsCamp, we quickly realized that those problems last far into people's careers. You get to the workplace and managers want their teams to be productive, healthy, and collaborative, but perhaps they're never taught how.
Soft skills, and I mean things like collaboration, communication, creative problem solving, constructive feedback. I think those things are the lubricant that make complex organizations work.
Soft skill development absolutely affects the bottom line. When your staff's productivity is low because of burnout or your turnover is high because of interpersonal issues, suddenly a lack of soft skill becomes a very costly issue for your business.
They're definitely the first company that we go to when we are trying to engage learners in this area of expertise. If you're considering working with SkillsCamp, my advice is to do it. They are so knowledgeable, so professional, and also very fun to work with.
If you're interested in building soft skills, we want to work with you. Reach out today and we'll make it happen.